Should you say I left it at home or I forgot it at home? I'm Teacher Mike, and today we're learning 4 ways to use the word left, as well as the difference between leftover, and leftovers. First, left is the opposite of right. This is my right hand. This is my left hand. Second, left is the past tense form of the verb leave. For example, if someone asks, "When did she leave?" you can reply, "She left a few minutes ago." When we want to explain why someone left, we use the preposition to. For example, he left to start his own business. And when we want to explain where someone is going, we use the preposition for. For example, she left for work at about 7:30. Third, we can use left to mean remaining. For example, if you have $10 and you spend $7, you have $3 left. Or maybe you bought bananas a few days ago and people have been eating them, so you want to know how many there are now. You can ask, "How many bananas do we have left?" And when we have something remaining and it's extra, or we don't really need it, we often say that it is left over, especially when talking about food. For example, we have a bunch of soda left over from the party. Or, do we have much food left over from last night? We can also put the words left and over together to make an adjective. For example, we can use the leftover ingredients to make a soup. Or, please put the leftover potatoes in the refrigerator. We also have the noun leftovers, which means food that is left over. For example, I'm going to have leftovers for dinner this evening. And fourth, we can also use left to mean that we didn't move something, or we didn't bring it with us. For example, I left my phone in the car. That means that I got out of my car and I came here, but my phone is still in the car. In that example, I probably left my phone in the car by accident. However, we don't only use this for accidents. For example, he left the tip on the table. That just means that he put the tip on the table and then he left. It does not mean that it was an accident. If you want to make it clear that something was an accident, one option is to use the verb forget. However, when you use forget, it's not correct to specify the location. So, although you can say, "I forgot my phone," you shouldn't say, "I forgot my phone in the car." Do native speakers do this all the time? Yes, we do. However, it's not really correct. So what I recommend is to use left, but add the word accidentally, or the phrase by accident. For example, I accidentally left my phone in the car. Or, I left my phone in the car by accident. This allows you to specify both where you left it and that it was an accident. So yeah, those are 4 ways to use the word left. And if you found this video interesting, you'll probably also like this one, which is about 5 ways to use the word fit.